Okay, so this length AF was 2r, whereas FG is the half of the height of this HCP structure, because we are talking about this middle layer. So if the full height is C, so half of the height will be C by 2. So this will be equal to C by 2. And what is the length AG? Okay, so for AG, because AG is directly under this, so this point G is directly under this point AF. Okay, so you can take this point as G as well. Okay, and since this point is at the centroid of this triangle, so what will be this value? Okay, so for example, if this, what is this value? AG. So this value AG by can be considered by this small triangle, can be determined by considering this small triangle. So let's say this small triangle as AG, and after G you can say H. Okay, so and what is this angle? So because this is an equilateral triangle, so this angle is 30 degree. And what is this side? This side is equal to A by 2. Okay, because it is half of this AB. So now we can determine AG. So what is AG? AG is equal to uh, AH divided by cosine of 30 degree. So AH is A by 2 divided by, because this is the base and this is the diagonal for this triangle, so it is cosine of 30 degree. So this will be equal to A divided by 2 multiplied by cosine of 30 degrees are square root of 3 by 2, so it will be 2 over square root of 3. So this will be equal to A divided by under root square root of 3. A divided by under root of 3. So this side is A divided by under root of 3. So now we have this triangle. So from this triangle, now we can apply for this triangle, now we can apply the Pythagoras principle. So then what we can say is that AG square plus FG square is equal to AF square. So AG is A over under root 3 square plus C by 2 square is equal to 2R square. Okay, so here what we can say is that, and we also know that A is equal to 2R, so we can put it here, or we can put like 2R is equal to A, so anything is possible. So so it's better to find C in terms of R, because this is what we need. Okay, so instead of A we can put 2R over here, so it will be then equal to A square, that is equal to 4R square over 3 is plus C square over 4 is equal to 4R square. So C square by 4 then will be equal to, because it is 4R, then C square by plus 4 is equal to 4R square minus 4 by 3R square. So that will be equal to 4 minus 4 by 3. It is equal to 2 times of 4 by 3 R square. Okay, if you take 4R square by 3 over here, so it will be 4R square minus 4 by 3. So that will be 2 times 3 of 4. Okay, so it will be equal to, so and then we take 4 also over there, so it will be c square is equal to 4 times 4 16 times 2 32 by 3 r square. So here c will be equal to 4 under root 2 by under root 3 r. Okay, so input the value of c here, 6 under root 3 r square, and the value of c is 4 under root 2 over under root 3 r. So under root 3 cancels, so it will be equal to 6 times 4 is 24 under root 2 r cube. So atomic packing factor will be equal to Vs, which is 8 pi r cube divided by Vc, which is 24 under root 2 r cube. So r cube is cancelled, 8 times 3, so it is equal to pi divided by 3 under root 2. So when you calculate it, it will be equal to 0.74. So this is the atomic packing factor of HCP structure.